Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction has based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video you will know about that this month business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit into February 2021. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month Lord Sun will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 12 February, Lord Sun will enter in the Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In this month, Lord Mars will transit in Aries zodiac sign. On 22 February, Lord Mars will enter in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. In the beginning of this month Lord Mercury will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. On 3 February, Lord Mercury will go to Astha Avastha. On 4 February, retrograde Lord Mercury will enter in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 14 February, Lord Mercury will rise. On 21 February, Lord Mercury will direct. Lord Jupiter. In this month Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 13 February, Lord Jupiter will rise. Lord Venus. This month Lord Venus will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 17 February, Lord Venus will go to Astha Avastha. On 21 February, Lord Venus will enter in the Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 11 February, Lord Saturn will rise. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Taurus horoscope of February 2021. For the business. This month, you need to be persistent in order to grow and expand your business. You may face some uncertainties during this time. However, your hard work will help you come out of this phase. Your 10th house Lord Saturn is in 9th house with Jupiter, therefore your luck may favor you to rise. You will maintain contacts with the authoritative people. The natives who are running their family business will progress and get versatile projects to work upon. The only caution during this time is to be vigilant, focus and trust yourself when planning to start on a new project as things might appear challenging at the outset. For the job. This month you will find success in your endeavors because of your dedication and tremendous zeal of enthusiasm and energy. You will be with uplifting spirits just moving ahead no matter what, which will give you the favorable outcomes. Those who are in fine arts, agricultural activities, journalism, advertising and tours and travel will have a great month. Those who are thinking of changing their job should wait, as this month will bring promotion or recognition to them in their existing profile. Marital life and children. The married couples will be very happy this month. They will bring stability in your bond. You will be deeply involved with your partner and set their interests before yours, completely devoting yourself to your spouse. You will come out of all the past misunderstandings and have a great understanding with your partner. You will regain the air of romance and intimacy in your bond. The child side will be normal. You will be worried about the education of your child. Lovers. The natives who are in a love relationship may not have a smooth bond during this month. You will have arguments, conflicts, and bitterness with your partner. You will also face misunderstandings and lack of communication. Also, you may feel that some things are being hidden from you or you are being cheated. The way out to this situation would be to give some time to the relationship and remove all sorts of insecurity about your loved one. Students or education. In the field of education, this month students will get slightly less good results. You have to work harder than before. During this time your attention will be loose. At the same time, for students preparing for higher education, this time will be good. Health. There will be less energy and back pain in your body. Those who have a history of high blood pressure should take extra care of themselves and keep their mind relaxed. You are advised to take precautions and do some relaxing exercises like dancing, yoga, or meditation to keep yourself fit during this month. Dates where you need to be careful: 4, 5, 7, 9, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 27, and 28. Remedies. Chant the mantras of Lord Saturn and Lord Venus. Donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of planets' mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching, and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Best wishes to you and your whole family on Basant Panchami. This month brings a lot of happiness, prosperity for you, and we pray to God that all your sorrow will go away. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business-related problems, health-related problems, marriage, love-related problems, Vastu, and horoscope matching. Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can call us, WhatsApp, and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motto is your success. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.